Hi, I'm Rick Weber, CEO of OceanAir Federal Credit Union. I'm here in just outside of Oxnard in the fields, bringing financial services out to the field workers. We really got to protect the financial needs of our community, and so often they become victims of the predatory scams in the cash services. So we're trying to get them into using financial services, keeping their money safe and helping provide support for our community. So we're here giving information, letting them know about what we can do to provide and support their financial needs. And we've brought our favorite food truck. We financed this food truck last year. It was our first I-10 commercial loan that we did. He's been a big supporter of the community, and everybody loves his food. So what a great way to celebrate the beginning of a great partnership and helping the financial needs in this community and serving breakfast at the same time. That's our OceanAir way.